Good afternoon to anybody that's watching this video. What I'm doing is I'm just showing you the view that we have from the plot of land that we've got up for sale here in Las Brenas. Just over there you've got Salinas de Danubio, and you've got the Los Brenas volcano range, and moving up to Timanfaya volcano range. Now, the land that we've got up for sale is just under 3,300 square metres in size. You've got no neighbours overlooking you. It's a really large plot. It has its own septic well, and it's got its own fresh water well as well. So it brings fresh water in, and once you've got used water you then pump that back onto your garden. You've got 65 metres of wall that can be used as a driveway. As I say, your nearest neighbour is quite a distance away. You'll have full privacy by putting walls up. Las Brenas, if you don't know, is about 8 kilometres from Playa Blanca. Lovely rural village. I mean, we've just had to have this plot all redesignated to build a house on, because it was classed as rustic land. As you can see, it is fairly rustic at the moment because the weeds are just running ragged with them little cells at the moment. We've installed a water box, and we've installed an electricity box in the appropriate places as governed by each company, and they're ready to go. So as I say, whoever wants a viewing on this plot, we have architects' drawings. If you're interested, let me know. I'm on robert@landsluxuryvillas.com, and you can feel free to come along and have a look. As I say, it's a lovely big plot with great views, and you could really go to town and make a fabulous house. You're allowed to build 23% of the property size, so you'd be eligible to build a house roughly the size of about 780 square metres, which is a rather large house. Anyway, I hope this information helps, and please get in contact if you're interested in buying a really good plot of land that doesn't come around very often.